Question 1. What is the primary reason for long stopping distances with tank vehicles? A. The weight of the liquid. B. The movement of the liquid. C. The shape of the tank. Answer. B. The movement of the liquid. Liquid movement within the tank can push the vehicle forward, increasing the stopping distance. Question 2. Baffled tanks. A. Have no internal barriers. B. Have multi-compartment holes. C. Prevent front-to-back liquid surge. Answer. C. Prevent front-to-back liquid surge. Baffles are internal barriers that reduce the forward and backward surge of liquid. Question 3. If your tanker has a manhole cover, it should be A. Left slightly open. B. Tightly closed. C. Covered with a cloth. Answer. B. Tightly closed. Manhole covers should always be securely closed when the vehicle is in operation. Question 4. The amount of liquid to load into a tank depends on A. The amount the shipper wants to load. B. The weight of the liquid. C. The tank's shape. Answer. B. The weight of the liquid. The weight determines how much can be loaded without exceeding weight limits. Question 5. Outage or ullage refers to A. The amount of empty space left in a tank. B. The weight of the liquid. C. The type of liquid in the tank. Answer. A. The amount of empty space left in a tank. Outage prevents overflow due to expansion. Question 6. True or false? Tank vehicles are at a high risk of rollover. Answer. True. Due to their high center of gravity, tank vehicles are more susceptible to rollovers. Question 7. To control surge, you should A. Brake hard. B. Make quick lane changes. C. Start and stop gradually. Answer. C. Start and stop gradually. This helps in controlling the movement of the liquid inside the tank. Question 8. Liquid surge can affect A. Vehicle weight. B. Vehicle speed. C. Vehicle stability. Answer. C. Vehicle stability. The movement of liquid can make the vehicle unstable. Question 9. If a tank is not divided by baffles, it is called A. A baffled tank. B. A smooth bore tank. C. A compartmented tank. Answer. B. A smooth bore tank. These tanks have nothing inside to slow down the flow of the liquid. Question 10. True or false? Hauling different liquids in the same vehicle is allowed without cleaning. Answer. False. Tanks must be cleaned between loads to prevent contamination. Question 11. A tank endorsement is required for tanks with a capacity of A. Over 100 gallons. B. Over 500 gallons. C. Over 1,000 gallons. Answer. A. Over 100 gallons. Any commercial vehicle transporting liquids in tanks of over 100 gallons requires a tank endorsement. Question 12. The most common reason for tank vehicle accidents is A. Equipment failure. B. Liquid surge. C. Overloading. Answer. B. Liquid surge. The movement of the liquid inside the tank can lead to loss of control. Question 13. When loading a tank with bulkheads, you should ensure A. All compartments are loaded equally. B. The heaviest compartment is in the rear. C. The heaviest compartment is in the front. Answer. A. All compartments are loaded equally. This helps in maintaining vehicle balance. Question 14. True or false? Tanks should be filled completely full. Answer. False. Space should be left for expansion. Question 15. When driving a tanker, you should increase your following distance to at least A. 2 seconds. B. 4 seconds. C. 6 seconds. Answer. C. 6 seconds. This provides a larger safety margin due to the potential for liquid surge. Question 16. The stopping distance for tankers is blank than other trucks. A. Shorter. B. Longer. C. The same. Answer. B. Longer. Due to the movement of the liquid, Tankers require a longer distance to come to a complete stop. Question 17. When checking the tank vehicle during a pre-trip inspection, you should ensure: A. The vehicle leans to one side. B. There are no leaks. C. The tank is completely full. Answer: B. There are no leaks. Any leaks can be hazardous and should be addressed immediately. Question 18. True or false? All tank vehicles have baffles. Answer: false. Some tank vehicles, known as smoothbore tanks, do not have baffles. Question 19. If your tanker is only partially filled, it can lead to: A. Reduced weight. B. Increased stability. C. Liquid surge. Answer: C. Liquid surge. A partially filled tank allows the liquid to move, causing surge. Question 20. When driving on curves with a tanker, you should: A. Speed up. B. Slow down. C. Maintain the same speed. Answer: B. Slow down. This reduces the risk of rollover due to the high center of gravity. Question 21. The purpose of baffles is to: A. Increase the tank's capacity. B. Reduce liquid movement. C. Make the tank look full. Answer: B. Reduce liquid movement. Baffles help control the surge of the liquid. Question 22. True or false? All tank vehicles are round in shape. Answer: false. Tanks can be various shapes, including elliptical. Question 23. A tank vehicle's weep refers to: A. The sound it makes. B. Small leaks. C. The way it moves. Answer: B. Small leaks. Weeps are minor leaks that need to be addressed. Question 24. When driving a tanker, you should avoid: A. Quick stops. B. Slow acceleration. C. Driving on highways. Answer: A. Quick stops. Quick stops can cause liquid surge. Question 25. True or false? Tankers are more stable when fully loaded than when partially loaded. Answer: true. A full tank reduces the movement of the liquid, making the vehicle more stable. Question 26. In a tank without baffles, the liquid will: A. Not move. B. Move side to side. C. Move front to back. Answer: C. Move front to back. Without baffles, there's nothing to restrict the forward and backward movement of the liquid. Question 27. Before loading a tank, you should check for: A. The previous load. B. The tank's color. C. The tank's shape. Answer: A. The previous load. This ensures there's no contamination. Question 28. True or false? All tank vehicles require a special endorsement. Answer: true. A tank endorsement is required for transporting liquids in large quantities. Question 29. The danger of a smoothbore tank is: A. It can't carry hazardous materials. B. It has more liquid surge. C. It is heavier than baffled tanks. Answer: B. It has more liquid surge. Without baffles, there's more movement of the liquid. Question 30. When unloading a tanker, you should ensure: A. The engine is running. B. The vehicle is on a slope. C. The parking brakes are set. Answer: C. The parking brakes are set. This ensures the vehicle remains stationary during unloading.